This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Mona Gabriel. Completely rehabbed home in excellent Kings Grant and First Colonial School District. Enjoy the open floor plan, brand new kitchen with stainless steel appliances and quartz. This home has 3 bedrooms, one of which is an oversized primary ensuite with walk-in closet and new primary bath. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a new hall bath with tub, plus additional nursery and/or office off the primary bedroom. The oversized utility room with washer and dryer is large enough for additional storage space. Enjoy the brand new patio, large fenced yard plus 2 sheds for storage. Plenty of natural light and a brand new HVAC for energy efficiency. Small dogs considered on a case-by-case basis with additional deposit. Sorry, this is a non-smoking home. For more information, review the details below.